Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee candy at home step by step. Start by gathering 1 cup sugar, 1 stick butter, 1 tablespoon water, and a pinch of salt. Use a heavy saucepan and a reliable candy thermometer. Prepare a parchment-lined baking sheet and set aside cool toppings like nuts or chocolate. Measure everything first, because once sugar heats, you must move quickly. I'll guide you through heating, hitting hard crack, pouring, and finishing for crisp, glossy toffee. Heat mixture gently until sugar dissolves and butter melts, then increase heat steadily. Attach a candy thermometer and aim for hard crack, roughly 300 degrees F to 310 degrees F, which makes crunchy toffee. Stir at the start to blend ingredients, but avoid stirring once the temperature climbs to prevent crystals. Watch closely near target temperature and remove from heat promptly. Pour onto parchment immediately for best texture and rapid cooling. Pouring is a make or break moment. Work quickly to spread toffee to your preferred thickness. While hot, add chopped nuts or melted chocolate so toppings stick and create contrast in texture. Let the toffee cool completely on a flat surface before breaking into pieces to preserve clean edges. Store in an airtight container at room temperature to keep crunch, and avoid refrigeration, which can draw moisture and soften the candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.